Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix consumer cellular voicemail logged, unlock or reset your voicemail pin. Fix 1 is reset your voicemail pin through consumer cellular. Call consumer cellular customer support from your consumer cellular phone, then verify your account with the representative. Ask them to reset your voicemail pin. Wait for the reset to complete. Call your voicemail and create a new pin when prompted. Second one is reset voicemail pin in your online account. Sign in to your consumer cellular online account, then open your account or phone setting. Then look for voicemail or reset voicemail pin. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Then set a new pin and test your voicemail. Third one is access voicemail again. Open the phone app, then press and hold 1 or dial your voicemail number. Then enter your new voicemail pin. Follow the prompt to confirm or change your greeting if needed. Fourth one is restart your phone. Turn off your phone. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn the phone back on. Try accessing voicemail again with your new PIN. Thanks for watching.